Okay, so travel should feel safe. This video walks through simple, proven steps to protect yourself, your family, and your home from picking up bed bugs while away. Here's the thing, this guide shows simple, proven steps to protect yourself, your family, and your home from picking up bed bugs while away and bringing them back. You'll learn what to check, how to pack, what to do when you get home, and how to reduce bites. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. This one's important. Quick room checks and smart packing can stop bed bugs before they climb in. I'll show what to look for and how to keep luggage out of hiding spots. Oh, before you put anything down, check the mattress seams, corners, and stitched areas for small dark spots, shed skins, or live bugs. Check the headboard, nightstand, picture frames, electrical outlets, and upholstered chairs. Use a flashlight in crevices and along molding. If you see signs of bed bugs, ask for a different room on a different floor, not just down the hall, or consider a different property. Use a hard-shell suitcase if you can. Keep clothing in sealable plastic bags inside your suitcase, and keep shoes in a separate plastic bag or compartment. Avoid placing luggage on the bed or floor next to walls. Use a luggage rack and keep it zipped and off upholstered surfaces. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. This one's about what to do while you're in the room. Small steps reduce bites and stop bed bugs from moving onto your stuff during your stay. Okay, so reduce bites by pulling the bed away from the wall and removing any hanging sheets or blankets that touch the floor or headboard. If the bed has legs, place portable bed bug interceptors under them. Use a mattress encasement if provided or a fitted cover you brought. Keep luggage zipped except when in use. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. Reduce bites and prevent bed bugs from moving onto your belongings while you stay. You'll want a daily habit. Inspect bedding and furniture each morning. Catching an issue early makes it much easier to contain, and that simple routine can stop a small problem from becoming weeks of work. The moment you get home is the most important time to act. What you do right away can keep bed bugs out of your house. Unpack in a non-bedroom area like a laundry room or garage. Remove clothes from plastic bags and put dirty and worn items directly into the washer on the hottest safe setting. Immediately run all washable items through the dryer on high heat for at least 30 minutes. Heat is very effective at killing all life stages of bed bugs. And vacuum your suitcase thoroughly, paying attention to seams and pockets, and empty the vacuum outside into a sealed trash bag. Use a clothes steamer or steam cleaner on items and on seams of the suitcase if needed. Steam kills on contact. Run small non-washable items through a high-heat dryer or put them into sealed plastic bins for several days while you watch for signs. Bed bugs and their eggs die at sustained high heat, and separating clean from unclean items prevents hitchhikers from moving into your home. This one's important. Consistency matters. A routine at home keeps bed bugs from ever taking hold again. Use bed bug-proof mattress encasements on mattresses and box springs at home. Place interceptors under bed legs and keep beds away from walls and furniture. When you return from trips, keep suitcases zipped and stored away from bedrooms until you've inspected and cleaned them. Maintain good laundry routines and wash and dry travel clothing on heat immediately. You'll know when it's gone. After treatment and consistent prevention, if you do not see live bed bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots for 3 consecutive months, the infestation is very likely eliminated. That 3-month stretch is the milestone to watch for. You aren't powerless. Bed bugs are persistent, but careful habits, heat-based treatments, and the right products protect you and your home. Start with the simple steps above and repeat them after every trip. You can get the products we recommend to protect yourself and remove bed bugs. Click the link below. This is practical stuff you can do. Start with the simple steps above and repeat them after every trip. You've got this.